Hello, everyone. I've been turned into a cat. No way to beat around the bush. But I am learning. Just to be very clear, me being turned into a cat, not the biggest problem. I need to make a new character. It will help with my gaming development. I'm trying to learn better how to not be a cat. It's fun and all, but the feathers. Oh, the bloody feathers. Anyway, I'm gonna be trying to make a game. On this journey, I will be giving updates. I'm using a weekly video to keep myself on track. I did find out how I can make my videos more entertaining with music. Such wonderful music. Once I get my games running, I can tell you all wonderful stories. And that's why I'm here. So, lovely day. Gonna make games, gonna make stories, gonna make content for you to enjoy. And you know what I'm gonna do? Gonna go to heaven, gonna have fun, hunting the angels one by one. Then I'll go to hell as a champion. What they don't know is I'm not done. No, I'm not. Anyways, I love all you angels and demons out there. You're all so lovely. Thanks for being good sports. It's gonna be fun to hunt you all down.